Samsung Galaxy M41 or M51 CAD-based renders show 3.5mm jack punch hole selfie camera. Samsung's M series has been going strong and soon it will get a new member. Seen here in CAD-based renders by DonLeaks and new partner Picto. This is billed as the Samsung Galaxy M51. Though it's apparently a successor to the Galaxy M40, so it might launch as the M41, there was no M50 to begin with. Samsung Galaxy M41 or M51. The phone has a larger display, a flat 6.5 panel. That's 0.2 bigger than the M40 display, which is why this may get the M51 name. Anyway, the phone measures 162.6 by 77.5 by 8.5 millimeters, 9.5 millimeters if you include the camera bump on the back. That hump should look familiar by now. It houses a triple camera, almost certainly a wide, ultra-wide and macro setup, or perhaps depth sensor. The selfie camera on the front is inside a punch hole. A rarity in the M series, only the M40 had one. Every other M phone used a teardrop notch. Samsung Galaxy M41 or M51. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack on top, unlike its predecessor, along with a USB-C port on the bottom. Also, the fingerprint reader is on the back. The M series is value-oriented, so no in-display readers. The Samsung Galaxy M41 or M51 is expected to be in the $250 to $300 price range. We'll be on the lookout for concrete specs, but we wouldn't be surprised to see a mid-range Exynos chipset and a Super AMOLED display, plus a large battery, of course. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.